Have you ever been in a situation where a moment feels so real like it has happened before, but you can't tell where or when? Maybe you walked into a room that has a layout similar to one you've been in before, or maybe you're just having conversation with someone and you feel like you've had that conversation before. That feeling is called déjà vu, which means already seen in French. In psychology, déjà vu is thought to be a kind of memory glitch. What's happening is your brain gives you the sense that something is familiar, but you can't actually recall a specific memory to explain it. It's like your brain is saying, "Hey, I know this," but when you try to dig deeper, there's nothing there. There are a few theories about why this happens. One common idea is that it's a disconnect between two types of memory, familiarity and recollection. You might recognize something on a gut level, but you also don't remember any real experience to back it up. So your brain sort of tricks you into thinking you've been through it before. What's cool is that déjà vu isn't a sign of anything bad. In fact, psychologists often say it means your memory system is working normally. It's just making a rare, harmless hiccup.